Waxes. Waxes are a class of lipids. They are esters of long chain, that is, carbon 14 to carbon 36, saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, but mostly they are saturated, with long chain alcohols, that is, carbon 16 to carbon 30. This example is of the beeswax, and it is composed of two molecules, palmitic acid and one triacontanol. This is the ester linkage in between them. This is the overall structure of wax. As you can see, in palmitic acid we have CH2-14, which means it is saturated. Similarly, over here we have CH2-28, which means again it is saturated. Melting points of waxes are generally higher than those of triacyl glycerols. Their melting points vary from 60 to 100 degrees Celsius. This is an example of the honeycomb. The bees are making the honey wax, and this GIF over here shows how it is collected. Planktons. Planktons are at the bottom line of the food chain. As you can see here, phytoplanktons and zooplanktons. They are producers and primary consumers. Waxes are the chief form of storage of metabolic fuel in planktons, just like glycogen in humans, in animals, and cellulose in plants. Another example is the Carnauba wax, which is a natural wax. It comes from the leaves of palm tree grown only in Brazil. This is a picture of that palm tree from which the wax is extracted. Another example is the lanolin wax, which is secreted by sebaceous glands of wool-bearing animals such as sheep. And this is an image that shows that lanolin wax is used as a moisturizer. Functions of waxes depend on their ability of water repellence, their firm consistency. There is a preen gland located in birds over here at this spot, and this preen gland, this produces waxes which lubricate the bird's feather and makes it waterproof. In animals, skin glands secrete waxes to protect hair and skin and keep them pliable. Pliable means easy to bend, flexible. Another example is of the tropical plants in which the waxes they coat the leaves for water loss. It prevents excessive evaporation and protects against parasites. Some examples are poison ivy, this plant over here, holly, this one, and rhododendrons, this one. Their leaves are coated with waxes that protects them. The industrial usage of waxes is in making ointments, lotions, and polishes from waxes.